we should start the new chapter, that is government. Okay, so government, that is that we already know that you know that government means that is the organization. Okay, and this chapter, that is the government, is in your half yearly syllabus. Okay, so today we should start the half yearly syllabus, that is the government. So government means that is the organization that looks after the people. Okay, so in simple language, it is means by the government. Okay, so just like in the class, whenever in the class the teacher is not present, that the class monitor is present to manage the class. Here also we just see there to manage everything, that the in the school body, that whenever we have to run the school, there is principal and the management body and the other body. So here the smooth functioning of it, that there are the some management group or the principals are there. So in this way, that to run the nation smoothly, we need the government. Okay, so today we have to learn about it. When people live together in social groups, they have to take certain decisions that affect all of them. We could understand this in the context of your school. Your school has diverse group within it. Besides the student and teachers, there are people who work in the school office, people who work in the canteen, peons, bus drivers, sweepers, etc. All these groups cooperate with each other for the smooth functioning of the school. The bus driver brings the student to school. The students then go to the classroom and study different subjects or go to different activities. Teachers conduct these classes and activities. Every month, the students pay fees to the school. Payments are collected and recorded by people working in the school office. Behind this smooth functioning, there are people who take decisions about the rules to be followed by the different groups. They also fix a work So fix a work schedule for each group so that there is no confusion. There is no confusion and everybody benefits from the school. Do you know what does all this? Yes, you are correct. It is the principal. Actually, this is done by a group of people and the principal is one of those people. The group that runs the school is said to be governing the school. Similarly, every community, be it neighborhood, a village or city or country, requires a set of people to make sure that day-to-day life goes on smoothly. In this chapter, we will take a closer look in who makes this possible in a nation. So understand, I already explained this one, that is the government means that who run this one. Now what are the functions are very important of the government functions. Now what are the functions of the government? The government builds roads, hospital, educational institution, parks, museum, toilets, etc. for the people and makes arrangement for supplying electricity, cooking gas, water, etc. to the people. The government takes decision on how to deal with the problems like poverty. Poverty means that who are very poor people who do not get their food also. That is the basic necessities of the life. Food, clothes, shelter, it is. And also that is the unemployment. Unemployment means that is they are not getting their job. Okay. Discrimination. Discrimination means that we are different from the people are differently treated. Okay. And how to give good health services and education to the all. The government runs important services such as train and bus service, postal service and so on. You already know this. There is the transportation service and the postal services provided by the government. The government provides safety to the people and maintains law and order within the country for this purpose. And government employs some people as policemen. The policemen are trained to protect to the other members of the society and to prevent crimes such as theft, dacoits, murders. So it is that as the government duty is to protect us also. That is from the they have the defense and they have the police. Okay, so dacoits and the thefts is controlled by the police and the defense it is that they are sheltered our country from the other country. The government maintains armed force to define the boundaries of the nation and it also maintains peaceful relation with the other countries. The government organizes rescue work duties just like in the here also you just see there that is the Amphan is happened. That is the government rescued the people. Flood, storm, earthquake is also provided aid in the form of health service and food and shelter to the affected person. Okay. To carry out this function properly, the government makes laws which all the people have to obey. So here we have to know about this. Why do we pay the government? To perform this function, the government needs money. So it collects the money from the people. The money is called tax. The people are required to pay for the use of facilities provided by the government. For example, you have to buy a ticket when you visit a government museum or board a ticket. The money that you pay for is to maintain the facility of the government provides. The facility mentioned above are known as the public property. Public property does not belong to any one person, but it is belong to the joint property. That it is the country's property or the nation's property, and we have to pay the tax for maintaining this one. Okay, we have to remember this.